So we got off the bus at the visitor center, and this Volkswagen was here. And we are going to walk across the bridge, we think. They offered it to us, and we accepted. So here's a handy map. We're here. We're going to walk across to Vista Point Marin Headlands. There's a coffee shop here, a welcome center, a gift shop, and a big red bridge. So this is I guess the path up to the bridge. Anyway. So this apparently is the way across. And I don't know if there's a separate bicycle lane or what. But there it is. Of course, this chain link fence is going to ruin the video. A lot of cars drive over this bridge. A lot of ships sail under it. Well, there's a sign. Keep to the right if you're walking. Well, we're partway across, approaching the first tower. San Francisco out there. Surfers. So in days of old, there was no chain link here. It was just this railing, the red railing. But they've added the chain link so people will quit jumping off of it. I think we're coming to the end of the chain link. And we are. Let's stop here a second. Of course, that's Alcatraz. Ship coming into the harbor, the bay. Over the years, we've driven across this bridge many times, but we've never walked on it. And those towers are looming up high now. More chain link up ahead. That's a shame. The fog's not helping either. So apparently you don't walk under those. We're going to go out around them. Vista Point closed ahead. I wonder what they mean. Unless they mean the other side. There's a park over there where you can stand and stare at the bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. PG&E Tower. So, is this not a Vista Point? I guess not. So we're a little bit past the first tower. The second tower is way up there. San Francisco is back there in the fog. Haze. So we're getting towards the middle. Janet thinks it's where the pipe, the cable there, gets the lowest, and I guess she's right. I never thought of that. She's so smart and determined. They have these little pop-outs along the way where you can stand and, I don't know, look down at the net that catches you if you try to jump. As you can see, we're almost halfway. So we're almost to halfway, but I think it's more than halfway. Anyway, we'll be on the other side soon. Cables. Janet's on 360 today. So over on the other side is a bin marked rescue equipment. And tour buses are coming now. I haven't seen ours go by yet. As if we were on a bike, right? So as you can see, we're pretty near the other side. And we've gone all that way. Motorhome. Out there is the Pacific Ocean. There's a lot of cars parked up on that hill. I'm not sure why. Hiking? Oh. See all the people lined up on the top of that hill? I guess for that. Ramp closed ahead. What? And the chain link starts again. Hey, we're almost there. I haven't noticed the bus go by. That doesn't mean it hasn't, but I haven't noticed. There is that. Kayakers down there. The marina. See the people up there now? Well, we're across to the other side. I mean, we're still on the bridge, but I think under us is land. Well, maybe not on this side. Looks like it's probably water. So officially, we're still on the bridge. And I just realized we didn't ask the tour guide where to meet across the bridge. Just that we were going to meet across the bridge, right? Well, from the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California, That's Janet. I'm Kara. And we just ran into somebody. And we just crossed the bridge. So, we'll see you in the next port. So there's the bridge in our rear view. And we're coming up to the Vista Point. And I think that's where we're going to meet the tour bus. I hope. So it looks all closed up. Janet spots at least one bus over there, and that might be our bus. So we're going to walk out to the Vista Point here real quick and get a vista. Oh look, you can look straight down the bridge. Right there. A lot of people out here. Where? Oh, let's go.